pen stand with paper folding. Material required is Fevicol, cutter, scissor, 3 pastel sheets. We need 3 colors of pastel sheet, 3 of yellow, 3 of red, and 1 black. You can choose any color for this. Okay, let's start making it. Yellow color. We have to fold this like this, 4 square. Press it nicely. Now we have to cut this extra part with the help of scissor. Here is our square. After this we have to fold it opposite side like this. Press it tightly like this. We have to press. So this is a paper folding pen stand. We have many folds in paper. After this we have to do opposite fold like this. See, now we have how many folds? 1 fold, second fold, third one, and fourth one. Okay, after this we have to fold it till center like this. Same as with other side, like this. After this we have to fold it opposite direction also. Other side. We have to fold it from all sides. We have to fold it like this. Fold it like this. Before folding we have to fold the corners of 4 sides like this. Like this. After this we have to fold it like this. See, like this we have to fold. Other side also like this. Now press it nicely. After this we have to fold it like this. Okay, now see children, after this we have to take black sheet and we will mark paper, black paper of this side. See, only this side like this, like this. Okay, we need only size of this much. So draw with pencil. After this we have to cut. So after this, see, after this we have to first fold like this. After this we have to fold like this. Okay, after this we have to put this paper here. You can choose any color. Like this. Okay, now after this we have to put this area in other side like this. See, like this. Side is ready. So like this we have to make others also, like red. We need 6 pieces. You can choose any color. See, first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. See, we need 6. we will put like this: one red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow. You can choose any color. Okay, now I will tell you how to arrange this pen stand. Now take first, we will just paste with this. We will paste these pieces with each other like this. We have to put Fevicol here. Like this we have to paste it. Just hold it for the minute so that it can paste it properly. After this we have to attach all the pieces with each other. All the pieces with each other. Okay. Just attach it. Just hold it for the minute so that it can paste properly. Take our spare sheet of black and just put this and mark. After this we have to cut this shape with the help of scissor. After this we have to see, this is our shape. We have to paste this shape here like this. Now put Fevicol on the edges, center part, soon like this we have to paste it with the help of Fevicol. Okay. After this we have to just decorate a little bit. We have to paste. You can paste anything to decorate it. I am taking same color flowers. Like this. This we have to decorate. You can decorate with anything like flowers, stickers, glitters, pearls, bindis. With anything you can paste it. See, our pen stand is ready. You can put anything like this. See, it's a, see, like this you can use this pen stand. Okay, so students, I hope you like it. Show your creativity. Take care of yourself.